What's going on, guys? How are we all doing tonight? Hold on, Kenny. There might be... It looks like the only unpaid team is Utah. So it sold for $16.50 plus shipping was $21.50. But if somebody wants Utah for $20, that includes shipping, let me know. Mikey, what is up, man? You missed out on the Hornets tonight. I got the first Mosaic retail break going on. You missed it. Keith, if you want Utah for 20, let me know. Oh man, the baby's great. He's sleeps 12 hours a night. Always laughing. All right, Keith, I haven't seen you respond. All right. Wayne, you got for $20. This is my PayPal, or this is my Venmo. Actually, if you can do PayPal, that'd be better because I can get your address. Unless you've already bought teams from me before. That's my PayPal. My Venmo is this. Either one. Wayne. The Hornets went for $255, which actually I think is kind of a steal, but figured they go for about $100 a box. All right, you guys ready? First retail Mosaic break. So tomorrow night I am doing a 2-box break. Tuesday night I'm doing a 2-box break, and Wednesday night I'm doing a 2-box break. So I have 6 more boxes. So I'll be doing one tomorrow, Tuesday, and Wednesday. I think all those listings are up on eBay. So if you guys want to get in on that. Yeah, nice. So yeah, Wayne, if you can send me your address if you haven't bought from a team from me before. So I can have an address to send it to. If you have, message me on eBay and just be like, hey, I've bought from you before, so I have your username, and then I can just print off a label that way. All right, are we all ready? Kind of jacked up for this. Excited to see what we get. So we'll have the pack of 12 in each, I guess, technically pack, and then there's a three card pink camel in each as well. Okay, you bought before? All right, sounds good. All right, guys, here we are. Good luck, everybody. So the first few cards, I believe, are base cards, and then we get to the good stuff. Robin Lopez, Dinwiddie, Mitchell, Ben Simmons, Malik Beasley, and Cantor. I think here's where the rookies start coming in. Yep. So we got Jaden McDaniels, Allen Iverson, all-time greats, We have a Josh Green rookie base, Sabonis Green Prism, and an Elevate Miles Bridges, and an Elevate Porzingis Green Prism. All right, we got a Larry Nance, Kyle Anderson, and then the last card's usually the good card. It is a rookie. Isaiah Stu, pink camo. So obviously we're hoping for that last card to always be a rookie card and not a MVPs or whatever. We want the rookie cards. All right, Caldwell Pope, TJ Warren, and Giannis base. Tristan Thompson, Mitchell Robinson, Gary Trent. Got a Wiseman, National Pride. It doesn't say RC for rookie card, which kind of sucks, but it is a rookie card. It's got our first Wiseman of the night. There's an Anthony Edwards base. Tracy McGrady, all-time greats. We have a Paul George, Green Prism. Hall of Fame, Barkley. And our first silver is a Paul Reed base rookie card for Philly. Nice Anthony Edwards getting on the board. I will do a review at the end. The replay will be put up on this page and my YouTube page right after the break is done as well. Spencer Dinwiddie, Tim Hardaway, and Larry Bird, all-time greats. Pink camo. Terry Rozier, D-Book, Miles Bridges, Schroeder, and Baisley. Luke Kennard, Jason Tatum, National Pride. Sam Merrill, base rookie. There's an OB debut. Trey Burke, Green Prism. Hall of Fame, Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. And a Ray Allen Silver Mosaic. Bang. Landry Shamet, Mitchell Robinson, and a Kevin Durant, National Pride. Once again, not a rookie. Hold on, I'm going to see here to make sure everyone knows where the break is. All right, looks like nobody's messaged me. Some people go on my YouTube page looking for the break and can't find it. All right, I think we're on, pack 4? Larry Nance, Zion, base. Durant, D'Lo, Middleton, Eric Gordon. There's a Desmond Bane, base rookie card. Peyton Pritchard, debut. Patrick Williams, base. Van Vliet, green. Will to Win, Bradley Beal. And a Jam Masters, Sean Kemp, green. Mosaic. Prism. Mitchell, Bogdanovich, and we do have a rookie, Xavier Tillman, pink camo. It's easier to do it like this, so I don't have to. All right, Nurkic, Fultz, Okogie, Randall, Jarrett Culver, DeMar DeRozan. All-time greats, Garnett. Devin Vassell, base rookie card. Okongwu, NBA debut. Josh Jackson Green. Ayton Will to Win. And a silver Miles Turner. We're not hitting the silvers or the greens yet. Valanciunas, Enes Kanter, and a Vince Carter all-time grades. There's a LeBron base, Mo Bamba, LeVert, Keldon Johnson, Olenek, Mason Plumlee, Poku base, Paul George National Pride. There's a LeBron Finals MVPs, Kevin Love green, Elevate Darren Fox, and a Kevin Knox silver prism. Robin Lopez, Harden, and Theo Maledon, base rookie card. Shamet, Troy Brown, Kobe, Steph, Fournier, Podol. There's a Hallie debut. Isaiah Joe, Jerry West. We have a Harden silver mosaic. Hall of Fame Ray Allen, and an Elevate Aaron Gordon. Miles Bridges, Jeremy Grant, and a, there we go, Wiseman debut, pink camo. Nice hit for the Warriors. Lonzo Ball, Valanciunas, JJ Redick, Tobias Harris, Kyle Anderson, Bridges, Onyeka, Vassell debut, Paul Reed. There's a Precious Chua silver mosaic rookie card, Jam Master Shaq, and a Bang Trae Young. Troy Brown, Gary Trent, and, ooh, there we go, base Hallie, pink camo. Nice hit, Sacramento. We got 4 packs left. Box 1. You guys are quiet tonight. Our last part of Cello Box 1. Miles Turner, Batum, Westbrook, Barnes, and Reddish. Thomas Bryant. There's a Cole Anthony base rookie. Dame National Pride. There we go. There's a LaMelo base card. Josh Okogie silver mosaic. Shaq. Giannis Elevate. Well, we still have 3 packs left, but probably these are the ones I have in top loaders so far. Got the LaMelo, probably this one, pink camo, Hallie base card. Got a Wiseman pink debut, Edwards base, Cole Anthony base. So we got a Redick, buckets, and a Jalen Smith pink camo. So we have hit quite a bit of base rookie cards in the pink camo. Joe Ingles, Levine, Roby, Embiid, Green, Steven Adams, debut Nesmith, Zeke Naji, all-time greats Magic. Ooh, boom, there we go. Base, green prism, LaMelo. Just made most of your money back right there. Jam Masters Anthony Davis and an Aaron Gordon Jam Masters silver. By far the best card now. LaMelo base green prism. Terry Rozier, Bogdanovich, and a LaMelo National Pride pink camo. Wow, have a night, LaMelo. You pretty much made your money back already. That green prism LaMelo base card is the only one would be the only one on eBay right now, I believe. Because I have a debut. I opened up one box for myself, and I got a green prism debut. That was the only one. So I'm assuming the base one would be the only one too. Bradley Beal, Chris Paul, Hunter, OG, Richardson and Bagley, Mason Jones, National Pride Anthony Davis, Flynn, Marcus Smart Green, Jam Masters Giannis, Will to Win of Vucic. Got a D-Book, Will Barton, and a Kawhi MVPs. Last pack of box 1. Jeff Teague. Yeah, is there any up there yet? Lopez and Buddy Hield. Tatum, Wood, Derrick Rose, Jason Kidd. There's an Okoro base. Debut, Killian Hayes. National Pride, Dame Green. There's a Jam Masters, LeBron. And a Bang, Kyrie. You should see what mine sold for. Mine just ended, I think, the auction. I guess I can look real quick what it went for. I probably got at least double the price. There's a Giannis pink camo. Ben Simmons, and a debut Okoro. Pretty good first box of pink camos. All right, hold on. I'm just looking to see what my LaMelo sold for to give you an idea. Maybe it's not done yet. I think it ends at 10 o'clock. Wait, what, is that right? Come on. Oh, I can't find it. 65. Thanks for looking. It's in that weird limbo of I think it got sold but it hasn't been paid yet. I was looking at the wrong thing. All right. Box 2. Yeah, that was a good first box for LaMelo. These are the hits in box 1. We had a pink camo National Pride LaMelo. We had a base green Prism LaMelo. And just a base LaMelo. Hallie, pink. We had a debut Wiseman, Edwards, and Cole Anthony. Those are the bigger hits. Oh man, you're torturing yourself. All right, Sabonis, Tyus Jones, Jackson, DeRozan, OG, Richardson, Paul George, LeBron MVPs. It's a Hallie debut. Eric Bledsoe, Silver Mosaic, Drexler, and a Westbrook. Guys that missed out, I am doing a 2-box tomorrow night, 2-box on Tuesday night, and a 2-box on Wednesday night. So if you missed out tonight, you get more chances the next 3 nights. Shake Milton, Jabari Parker, Paul Reed. Yeah, I'm the first break on eBay of these, of any retail Mosaic. Yeah, that was my LaMelo. I got 10 boxes, my hands on 10 boxes. I had to open up one though. Usually I don't get high on my own product, but I had to do it. DiVincenzo, Siakam, Washington, Luke Kennard, Ben Simmons, Beasley, Tony Parker, Precious, debut Maxey. Man, those got scratches on it. I think you can buff some of those out though. JaMychal Green, Zion Will to Win, and a silver Dejounte Murray. Man, Zion doesn't look in good shape in that picture. Yeah, never use your own product. That's the rule, right? Brook Lopez. DeRozan. Kira Lewis. That sucks. Fed most hated. That'd be a good deal for him. $240. It's pretty cheap. Turner, Batum, Westbrook, Barton, Jeremy Grant, and Harden. Steve Nash, Kira Lewis, debut of Quickly. Paul Pierce, all-time greats. I love the color of that one. All green. There's a Bang Luka. Finally, Luka's on the board. And a Giannis Silver Mosaic Elevate. I like the look of that card, too. All right, Elfrid Payton, Maxi Kleber, and a Tracy McGrady. Yeah, no, that sucks when people do that. Caldwell Pope, TJ Warren, Giannis, Irving, Drew Holiday, Bullock, Isaiah Stu, Sadiq Bey debut, Trey Jones, there's a Donovan Mitchell green, Vince Carter Jam Masters, and an Elevate green Westbrook. You know what's even worse? When I do like 10 breaks over a weekend, and then I have like a lot of money in my eBay account, and then they put it on hold for like 7 days, like thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars. They keep it on hold, and they're like, oh, we have to review this, and it takes like 7 days for them to release the funds. That's a bunch of BS that eBay does. Siakam, Thomas Bryant, there's a Steph, National Pride. Teague, Brook Lopez, Buddy Hield, Cantor, Buckets, Bogdanovich, Peyton Pritchard base. I agree, let's see a Genesis. Steph, there's a Wiseman base. Robin Lopez green, Blake Griffin, and a Durant Elevate green prism. Ben Lackmore, McDermott, and Nakia Okongwu. So Mosaic football is coming out in like 3 or 4 weeks, so I'll be doing a lot of Mosaic breaks of basketball and football over the next few months. RJ Barrett. Malcolm Brogdon, Danny Green, Trent, Harris, Anderson, Iverson, Josh Green, Maxi Pride. Ooh, there's a green Hallie. Base matches the pink from earlier. Mitchell, and a Jason Terry bang. I think it's because I just do it all in like the span of, like I'll do 10 breaks. There'll be sometimes where I do like 10 breaks on a weekend, and I have literally like 15 grand that got put in my eBay account from sales in the span of like 3 days. They hold it. I think if it's anything over 10 grand in the span of like 72 hours, they hold it. No, they haven't hit shelves yet. They should this week though. Miles Turner, Richardson, and a Reggie Perry. I think on Wednesday they'll hit the shelves. It's a Ja base. Seth Curry, Draymond, Bridges, and Schroeder. Baisley, Durant MVP. Yeah, probably. Cole Anthony debut. There's an Obi base. Michael Porter Mosaic. Steve Nash. Elevate Mitchell. Buddy Hield, OG, Quickly, debut, pink camo. By the way, I will get this shipped out tomorrow because I know you guys want your hands on this as quick as possible since it's like the first one on eBay and everything. So I will get it shipped out tomorrow. Shouldn't be that long of a ship, 540 cards. Shouldn't take me too long to do. Yeah, Mosaic hasn't hit the shelves yet, but like these Cello boxes are gradually making its way on eBay, which means that they'll be out this week. Hangers, hopefully. I love doing hangers, so hopefully there's a lot of hangers. Shamet, Troy Brown, Kobe, Oladipo, Kawhi, Capella, Jayshawn Tate. There's a LaMelo debut. Sadiq Bey. There's a Nesmith Silver Mosaic. Dominique, and a Ja Elevate. Box 1 was probably better than box 2. So far. We still have a few packs to go. Jeff Teague, Jarrett Culver, and Steve Nash. All-time greats. Larry Nance, Zion, Durant, Rudy Gay, Brandon Ingram, Anthony Davis, National Pride, Kevin Durant, Hallie Bays, Paul Pierce, Green, Keldon Johnson, Will to Win, Dame, DeAndre Ayton, Silver Mosaic, Will to Win. Nothing too crazy. I think a couple base cards, maybe one base card, one elevates. I think maybe 3 total cards so far. I'll put the replay up after this if you want to watch it. PJ Washington, Randall, and ooh, there we go. Base Wiseman, pink camo. Let's get a Genesis. Bradley Beal, Chris Paul, Hunter, Shea, Rui, Gallinari. There's a Denny debut. Azubuike, Gary Payton, Norman Powell, Silver Mosaic, Derek Jones, Will to Win, Ja. Yeah, I'll put the replay will be up on this page pretty much instantly when the break ends, and it'll be up on my YouTube page in about 10 minutes after I end the break too. Dave Vincenzo, Cam Reddish. There's a Peyton Pritchard base, pink. I have pulled a Theo pink, I think, if I remember. This year's, well, NBA Hoops comes out next week. Donruss comes out in like 2 weeks or 3 weeks. So they're trickling out. And then Prism draft picks comes out end of January. Ingles, Levine, Roby, Holmes, Ayton, Lowry, Nico Mannion, Hallie Pride, Shaq MVP, Dinwiddie, Spud Webb, and a green hollow Clyde Drexler. We need to get a numbered card. Draymond, Harry Barnes. There we go. There's a Maxey debut. Pink camo. Nice hit for Philly. Last pack of box 2. LeBron base. Obama, Levert, Serge Ibaka, Cam Johnson, Caruso, Patrick Williams debut, Jordan Nora, Chuck, Isaiah Stu Green, Elevate Jaylen Brown, and a Jaden McDaniels silver prism base card. Not bad. That would have been an Anthony Edwards, obviously, but. All right, last camo pack. Seth Curry, Derrick Rose, and a pink Precious. Looks like Panini's finally kind of catching up. So far behind, but they have announced a lot of release dates for football, at least. Mosaic. Prism's coming out end of January. Well, I'll probably get moved to February, I'm guessing, but they're not going to... Because right now they have like Mosaic football released on January 12th and Prism released on the 26th, and I'm going to doubt they're going to do that. They're not going to have them released within 2 weeks of each other. No way. All right, here we go. Last box. Blake Griffin, Darius Leonard, Rudy Gobert, Jordan, Covington, Terrence Ross, Devin Vassell, Okongwu, Mason Jones, Andrew Wiggins green, buckets, and a green Kyrie Bang. Yeah, I haven't really taken a look at a lot of the surfaces yet to see. Wendell Carter, Kyle Lowry, and a debut Jalen Smith. Yeah, I haven't looked at the surfaces too much. Seems like there is some scratches, but I don't know if they can be buffed out. Probably most of them can be. Porter, McCollum, Horford, Pascal, Tatum, National Pride, Anthony Davis, Malachi Flynn, debut, Nesmith. There's a Desmond Bain, green, nice hit. Dominique, and a silver Mosaic, Anthony Davis elevate. I like the look of those cards. A lot of sparkles. A lot of shininess on these elevates. Tyler Hero, Caruso, Campazzo. Nice. Alfred Payton, they're only a year and a half behind on these releases, so they should be good. Macklemore and Kemba, Olenek, Plumlee, Steph, Vessel, Paul Reed, Jason Tatum, Aaron Baines green, Jason Tatum elevate, Jamal Murray silver will to win. Derek Jones, Joe Harris, there's a Denny, base pink camo. Monte Morris, John Wall, Bergelica, Wood, Rose, Harry Barnes, Zeke Naji, Magic Johnson, Poku, Jaylen Brown green, color, love that. Bang, Dwayne Wade, and we have a silver Darius Bazley. Porzingis, Gordon Hayward, and Jayshawn Tate debut. And we just have that one Anthony Edwards base card so far. Vooch, Grayson Allen, Porzingis, Bull, Cleaver, McDermott, National Pride Harden, Denny Base, Jason Kidd, Jerry West green, Anthony Davis, Tracy McGrady. Grayson Allen, Darren Fox, Dirk MVPs. Kanan, Thibault, Boucher, Knox, Bledsoe, Norman Powell, Dame, National Pride. There's another LaMelo base. KG, Jared Allen green, Karl Anthony Towns elevate. There's a Trae Young silver. Come on camera. Demboya, Serge Ibaka, Vernon Carey. Shake, shake, shake. Cody Zeller, Rubio, Fournier, Podol, D'Lo, Sam Merrill, Obi debut, Jaden McDaniels, Davis Burton's green, Kyrie, another Giannis Elevate green prism. I think we got the silver last time. Green that time. Bridget, Trey Burke, National Pride Harden. What do we got left? 5 packs. Marcus Smart, Sabonis, Van Vliet, Culver, DeRozan, OG, Isaiah Joe, Jerry West, Desmond Bain base, Kuzma green, Zach LaVine, and a Shaq green hollow. Blake Griffin, Marjanovic. Oh, look at that. Pink camo, LaMelo. Base. Very nice. LaMelo's killing it. Tyus Jones, Jaren Jackson, Jamal Murray, Richardson, Bagley, Joel Embiid, Pritchard debut, Patrick Williams base, National Pride, Wiseman. There's a Patrick Williams green base, Paul George, and a Sadiq Bey silver debut. Very nice LaMelo, yep. Shea, Drummond, Dame, National Pride. Kent Bazemore, Clarkson, Zubac, Green, Steven Adams, Keldon Johnson. There's another Anthony Edwards base. McGrady, Onyeka, Larry Bird, silver, Mosaic, Bang Carmelo, and an AI Hall of Fame. Thibault, Aaron Baines. Here's a nice Cole Anthony. Base camo. We'll save the 2 Mosaic packs for the end. Come on, Genesis. Derek Jones, Josh Hart, Deontay Murray, Brandon Clark, Parker, Karl Anthony Towns, Okoro base, Killian Hayes, Cole Anthony base, Joker, Silver Mosaic, Elevate Christian Wood, and a Magic Johnson Hall of Fame. Got a Rondo, Tucker, Millsap, Cam Reddish, Thomas Bryant, Julius Randle, Paul George, LeBron MVPs, Hallie debut, the wrong Antetokounmpo, Silver Mosaic, Grant Hill, and an Elevate, Joel Embiid. Like I said, I will get this shipped out tomorrow, and I am doing more breaks of these tomorrow night, Tuesday night, Wednesday night, 2 this time, 2 boxes each night. Thaddeus Young, Rudy Gay, and a Nesmith. And the last pack. We have a Royce O'Neal, Clint Capella, non-rookie, Tim Duncan. That's the last card. All right, review time. Here are all the decent hits we got. I think I put every rookie pink in here. Nesmith, we got a Hallie, Silver Joker, Wiseman Pride, Green Patrick Williams, Silver debut of Sadiq Bey, Green Elevate of Giannis, Brendan Carey pink, Trae Young silver, Jayshawn Tate pink debut, Denny pink base, Campazzo pink base, Anthony Davis silver mosaic Elevate, Jalen Smith debut, Precious base pink, Isaiah Stu green, Hallie Pride, Pritchard pink, Ja Will to Win, Nesmith silver mosaic, and a Ja Elevate. Quickly pink debut, Cole Anthony debut, Obi base, Reggie Perry pink, Maxi Pride, Onyeka pink, Elevate Durant green, Steph Pride pink. I think our only Luka of the night, Luka Bang. There's a Giannis silver mosaic, Kira Lewis pink, debut Maxi, Will to Win Zion, Paul Reed pink, Hallie debut, Giannis pink base, Okoro debut pink, LeBron Jam Masters, Jalen Smith pink, Precious silver mosaic, Hallie debut, there's that Maladin pink, Xavier Tillman, Wiseman Pride, Isaiah Stu pink, and a Paul Reed silver. Sort these out real quick. All right, we had a Tyrese Maxey debut pink, Jaden McDaniels silver prism, Desmond Bain green prism. Wiseman had a pink camo base, just the base, and a debut pink camo. Cole Anthony had a base, pink camo base, and another base. Hallie had a base, green prism, and a pink camo. Anthony Edwards just had the 2 base cards. And LaMelo, he had a debut, 2 base. Then we had a green prism base, National Pride pink camo, and the base pink camo. It's a nice night for LaMelo. 6 cards. All right, guys. Like I said, the replay will be put up right now. I appreciate you guys joining. You guys are part of the first Mosaic retail break on eBay. And then tomorrow night will actually probably be the second, as far as I know, unless somebody scheduled one after I did mine. So yeah, tomorrow night, 9 p.m., same time. I'll be doing a two box break, 2 on Tuesday and 2 on Wednesday. If you guys have any questions on anything, feel free to reach out to me on here or on eBay. I will respond pretty quickly. And other than that, I appreciate you guys and have a good night. Thanks for joining, Fed.